The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a game-changer when it launches next year, especially with some major improvements in battery life, thanks to the new Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. The Galaxy S25 series is all set to bring some exciting upgrades over the current S series, and we're here for it. Qualcomm really raised the bar when they unveiled the Snapdragon 8 Elite last month. They're claiming some seriously impressive stats, like a 45% faster Oryon CPU and a 40% quicker Adreno GPU compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. But the best part? This chip is also way more efficient, with a 44% boost in CPU efficiency and 40% more in the GPU. If these numbers hold up, phones powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite are going to be faster and last longer than their Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 counterparts. And from what we're seeing in real-world tests, Qualcomm might really have pulled it off. Dave2D tested the OnePlus 13 and the Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro, both packing the Snapdragon 8 Elite, and they both blew their Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 siblings out of the water in battery life. For example, the OnePlus 12 with a 5400 mAh battery lasted just over 12 hours, while the OnePlus 13 with a 6000 mAh battery stretched all the way to an impressive 17 hours and 25 minutes. The ROG Phone 9 Pro saw a similar jump, getting 30% more battery life thanks to the new chip. To put it simply, the Snapdragon 8 Elite is all about efficiency. It's not just about speed, it's about squeezing more out of your battery. And when it comes to gaming, this chip is a beast. The OnePlus 13 and ROG Phone 9 Pro played Genshin Impact for 1 hour and 48 minutes and 1 hour and 14 minutes longer than their predecessors, with zero throttling. Sure, great cooling helps, but this chip's efficiency is a huge factor in keeping things running smoothly. So, what does all this mean for the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Well, with the Snapdragon 8 Elite on board, this phone is going to have seriously long-lasting battery life. Imagine all-day use without worrying about constantly charging your phone. The S25 Ultra is also likely to deliver top-tier performance with its advanced camera features and premium display, and now we know it's going to do that while keeping the battery going strong. Honestly, we're pretty excited about what this chip can do, especially when it comes to gaming and overall performance. If you're looking forward to the Galaxy S25 Ultra and the power of the Snapdragon 8 Elite, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, take care.